If you're living in a studio, you know the struggles of making one room work for everything. Sleeping, cooking, entertaining. It can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can transform your space into a multifunctional, stylish heaven. Today, I'll be sharing with you genius ways to zone your studio apartment that will make your space feel more organized, functional, and just a little more like home. So one of the easiest and most practical ways to create zones in your studio is by using your furniture to do the dividing for you. Picture this: instead of having your bed awkwardly next to your dining table, use a bookshelf or even a sofa to create a clear boundary. If you're living in a small space, every inch matters, and a strategically placed piece of furniture can give you a living room and a bedroom without needing to pull up any walls. Relatable tip: if you've ever felt like you're working, sleeping, and eating in the same space, this trick will be a game changer. Your brain will thank you for giving each activity its own zone. Rugs can do more than just warm up a room. They are a great way to visually define different areas. Lay one rug down under your coffee table in the living room section, and a smaller one by your bed to separate the bedroom area. This way, you don't need walls to know where each zone begins and ends. Relatable tip: think of it like this. When you step into a soft rug after a long day, your mind immediately shifts into relaxation mode. It's amazing how simple details like a rug can change the entire feel of a space. Creating a loft bed. If your studio has high ceilings, take advantage of creating a loft space where it's a loft bed or even a lofted storage area. You can open up the floor below for another functional zone like work desk or a reading nook. Relatable tip: think of it like creating levels in your life. Your bed up top for cozy sleep time, and below a space for productivity or relaxation. It makes your studio feel more like a multi-functional room apartment and less like a one-room box. Multifunctional furniture is essential for a studio living. Think about sofa beds, ottomans with storage, or even foldable dining tables. These pieces allow you to maximize space while also creating designated areas for different activities. Relatable tip: one moment you're hosting a movie night with friends, and the next you have transformed the space into your bed. Make your apartment work with you, not against you. It's the Swiss Army knife of home decor. Color coding different areas. You can use color to define different zones in your studio. For example, opt for soft, calming colors like light blues or pastels for the bedroom, and choose bolder, brighter shades for your living or dining space. The different colors will create a visual separation even in the same room. Relatable tip: imagine how relaxed you'll feel with soft blues in your sleeping area, and how energized you'll be in a vibrant, lively living room. Color doesn't just divide spaces, it influences how you feel in them too. Floating shelves are a sleek way to add storage and create a distinct workspace or dining area. They can act as boundaries between zones and make the most of vertical spaces. Relatable tip: running out of space for your books, plants, or work essentials, floating shelves keep everything organized and help create a dedicated zone for work or dining without cluttering up your precious floor space. Low height furniture like benches or short dressers can act as boundaries without obstructing sightlines. You can place them between your living and sleeping area for a subdued division that keeps your apartment feeling open. Relatable tip: this is perfect if you don't want to feel boxed in but still want each zone to have its own vibe. You will maintain that open, airy feeling while still enjoying clear divisions between different parts of your apartment. Installing a Murphy bed. Murphy beds are a studio apartment's best friends. They fold up into the wall during the day, giving you more space to move around. Then when it's time to sleep, you just pull it down. Relatable tip: if you've ever felt cramped by having your bed always out in the open, a Murphy bed will be a game changer. You get the benefits of a full living room during the day and a cozy bed at night, all without sacrificing space. Mirrors are not just for making a space feel bigger. They can also help zone your apartment by reflecting light and creating the illusion of different sections. Relatable tip: mirrors are like magic wands for small spaces. Place one in your living area and suddenly it feels like you have a completely separate zone. Plus, they help brighten up the room by reflecting natural light. Hanging large art pieces or tapestry between zones can serve as a visual barrier without taking up floor space. It adds a personal touch and separates spaces in a subtle way. Relatable tip: why not let the walls do the dividing for you? Hang a bold piece of art between your bedroom and a living room and you'll have a creative artistic divider that expresses your style while separating zones. Designate specific furniture for certain zones, like a cozy armchair for a reading nook or a desk for your work area. This helps give such area a distinct purpose. Relatable tip: it's all about intention. When you sit in that comfy chair, it's reading time. When you're at your desk, it's work time. Area-specific furnitures make your brain associate certain activities with certain zones, even in a small space. L-shaped sofas are a great way of creating a cozy living room corner in your studio. They create a natural boundary without needing walls or dividers. Relatable tip: ever felt like your sofa is just floating in the middle of the room? An L-shaped sofa anchors your living area, making it like a real room within a room. Plus, it's perfect for lounging or hosting guests. Placing a tall furniture like a bar-high table or stool near your kitchen, you create a designated dining zone without taking up much room. It's functional and stylish. Relatable tip: love to host but short on space? A compact dining nook with tall furniture instantly transforms part of your studio into a chic little dining area, perfect for a brunch or a casual dinner with friends. Designate a corner for your home office by adding a small desk, a comfortable chair, and a wall-mounted shelf to store office supplies. This creates a productive work zone that doesn't take up too much space. Relatable tip: when you work from home, it can feel like your whole apartment is your office. But if you carve out just one little corner for work, you'll find it so much easier to separate work time from relaxation time, even in a studio. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips give you some ideas on how to make the most of your studio apartment. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor and design tips. Let me know in the comment section which zoning area or tip you're excited to try, or if you have any other genius tricks for maximizing space. Remember, no matter how small your studio is, it can still be stylish, functional, and feel like home. Until next time, happy decorating. See you.